Hi there. Welcome to our English. If you are eager to improve your English skills, this is the perfect place for you. Don't go anywhere and talk with our engaging lessons.
Ladies and gentlemen, listen carefully. Too many people in life believe that success comes from saying yes to everything, from being present everywhere, from being available at every call. But let me ask you something. Does gold make itself easy to find? Do diamonds sit on the surface waiting for someone to pick them up? No. Their value is in their rarity, in their refinement, in the distinction. Your problem is not that you are unnoticed. Your problem is that you have made yourself too common. You have confused accessibility with importance. And today, I want to shake your mindset because true impact in life comes not from being everywhere, but from being valuable. Listen to me carefully. One of the greatest mistakes you can ever make is believing that your significance is measured by how many people have access to you. Many of you are exhausted, frustrated, and stretched beyond your limits, not because you lack potential, but because you have given too much of yourself to things that do not serve your destiny. You have mistaken activity for progress, busyness for effectiveness, and availability for value. Let me ask you, have you ever seen a lion chasing every insect that crosses its path? Have you ever seen an eagle flapping its wings at every gust of wind? No, a lion moves with focus. An eagle soars with precision. But look at you, running in every direction, answering every call, responding to every demand, trying to please everyone, hoping that being available will make you important. The truth is, people do not value what they can access too easily. If you are always present, you become ordinary. If you are always available, you become predictable. And anything that is predictable loses its power. Even the sun, though it shines every day, is ignored by most. But let a rare eclipse happen and the whole world stops to watch. Why? Because value is in scarcity, not in commonness. Some of you are frustrated, saying, they don't appreciate me, they take me for granted. But the problem is not them, the problem is you. You have given yourself too freely. You have not guarded your time, your energy, or your presence. And let me tell you something. Whatever is not protected will be exploited. Even Jesus, the Son of God, understood this principle. He did not make himself available to everyone at all times. He withdrew, he prayed alone, he spent time with a select few, and even among the 12 disciples, he had an inner circle, Peter, James, and John. Why? Because he understood that indiscriminate availability weakens impact. Some of you need to stop making yourself an open door and start becoming a select invitation. Let me take you back to Joseph. He was in Potiphar's house, a trusted servant. And then came a moment, a test. Potiphar's wife wanted him. She wanted access. She wanted to use him for her pleasure. And Joseph had two choices: be available or be valuable. If he had chosen to be available, he would have lost his destiny for a moment of convenience. But instead, he chose to be valuable, and that decision placed him on a path to the palace. Some of you are sacrificing your future on the altar of immediate availability. You are saying yes to everything, and in doing so, you are saying no to your destiny. Every yes you give to something unimportant is a no to something critical. Every time you make yourself accessible to distractions, you are closing the door on your own greatness. Wake up. You were not created to be common. You were not designed to be everywhere at all times. You must guard your presence. Choose where you invest your energy. Not every call deserves an answer. Not every opportunity is your assignment. Not every invitation requires your presence. If you do not take control of your availability, people will waste your life for you. From this day forward, stop chasing recognition through presence and start building your worth through refinement. Because the truth is, the world does not chase what is always available. It chases what is truly valuable. We live in a world where people believe that visibility equals value. They think that if they are not constantly seen constantly in the spotlight, constantly in front of people, then they are not progressing. But that is a dangerous deception. A seed is never seen while it is growing. A tree does not sprout overnight. A foundation is buried deep in the ground before a building ever rises. The most valuable things in life are prepared in private before they are revealed in public.